Hey Zaggy, this is our simple drilling rig. It's especially professional for the core drilling. You can see the small one. All the spare parts from Germany. Okay, the drilling depth is 30 meters, and the diameter can do as your requirement. You can see. It's a small one. It's a high copy of Germany machine, okay? So this one we have seal permission now. The spare parts are all from USA and Germany. It's very small and use a rubber crawler made in China. So please let me know if you want to buy, okay? We have contacted many years. I want to be your partner in China. I'm waiting for you here always. Please remember me, Wang Aggie Drilling Rig. Thank you so much.